Hi, I'm David, the Wandering Ponderer. I'm out on my permitted exercise. I'm doing a circuit in the opposite way round to the cricket club, what I did the other day. And I'm in search of this tree that I failed to show you last time. I have taken some shots of some interesting trees on the way up to this point, and in the absence of finding a tree, I'll insert those shots so you can see. But here we are in an interesting piece of landscape, because all this area during World War II was an American airfield, and over there in the distance, I don't know whether you can see it, area is that antenna is more or less where the American air base was. Which of course is now all part of the quarry complex. But when the restrictions are lifted, I will try and get some footage of how nature is reclaiming, because nature does reclaim things, and despite all our worries and all my concerns over the disruption and the destruction on the landscape, nature is a very good force of reclamation. Brilliant things. There's lots of natural nature all over. There's a jogger coming, again running from something, and I see a tree, a small tree, but a tree just the same. And this tree is where I'm headed, and I will show you this tree. There is the tree. Beautiful. Jogger out jogging. It's the only way we can get exercise. If everybody follows the guidelines, we may end up being the fittest, fattest people in the entire universe, because we sit at home eating because there's nothing else to do, drinking extra cups of tea, so much tea, and watching TV, getting bored, flicking the channels because there's nothing left on the TV to watch. It's torture, isn't it, really? But you can come out. If you've got a garden, get out in that. Today's a bit cold and a bit cloudy, as you can see. Bit cloudy, but it's nice to be out. It's nice because you don't have the four walls hedging you in. It's nice to be creative. It's nice to have the permitted freedom that we have been given, which is the freedom of exercise. Wonderful. Oh, look at this. I want to show you this. this. Look at this beautiful view. And if I zoom in, hopefully, because I've got sunshine right there. Oh, look at that. Here we go. Beautiful. There we have it. Today's obligatory pylon. Whee! We're going to do a circuit, and we're getting near this tree. This is a lovely tree. I love this tree. This is a small tree, but with so much character. Trees have character and personality. Don't be fooled. Scientists think they know everything about plants and trees, but I've watched many a sci-fi show. Remember the Day of the Triffids. This is a beautiful tree. And this is a beautiful day, and I don't know whether I can get it, but there's some wonderful things in the sky. Look at that sky. Look at that sky. The sun peering through the clouds, the trees on the horizon. What more can you ask of life than beautiful views? World War II the time of struggle, and this whole area of Coggeshall was surrounded by airfields because it's nice and flat, and it's far enough away from London but near enough to provide some form of defence. And I think the American air base, being it bombers, was more sort of offensive than defensive. But the history of Coggeshall during World War II is quite an interesting thing to go into, and that's worthy of study in another video. Maybe we will visit a few of these wonderful World War II historical sites, which are being put to good use, as Birch Airfield is at the moment, being put to good use. I've got a car coming, so I will now it's so difficult to figure out what to do when you're so restricted as far as videoing and vlogging goes, but there are things that we can see and things that I can show you, and I will just have to ration them. Show them to you in little bits and pieces. But we're heading back the other way now. Heading back this way. This makes us in the right direction for getting back to where I started. This is a small Small video, but hopefully informative. I'll do my best. I'll do my best.